If you meant to refer to satellite instead of satellite, a satellite is an object that orbits around a celestial body, such as the Earth. Satellites are commonly used in various fields and industries for different purposes. Here are some of the key functions and applications of satellites. Communication. Communication satellites enable long-distance communication by transmitting signals between two or more points on the Earth's surface. They play a crucial role in telecommunications, providing services like television broadcasting, internet connectivity, and global positioning systems, GPS. Remote sensing. Satellites equipped with sensors and cameras can capture images and collect data about the Earth's surface and atmosphere from space. This information is valuable for applications such as environmental monitoring, weather forecasting, agriculture, urban planning, and disaster management. Navigation and global positioning. Global navigation satellite systems, GNSS, including GPS, use a network of satellites to provide accurate positioning, navigation, and timing information worldwide. GNSS is widely used for navigation in vehicles, maritime operations, aviation, and outdoor recreational activities. Earth observation. Satellites equipped with specialized sensors can monitor and analyze various aspects of the Earth, including weather patterns, climate change, natural resources, deforestation, and ocean currents. This data aids in scientific research, environmental monitoring, and resource management. Scientific research. Satellites are utilized in space exploration and scientific missions to study celestial bodies, gather astronomical data, and investigate phenomena in outer space. They provide valuable insights into the universe, including planets, stars, galaxies, and cosmic events. Military and defense. Satellites play a crucial role in military operations for activities such as reconnaissance, surveillance, communication, and missile tracking. They provide real-time intelligence and enhance situational awareness for defense forces. Broadcasting and entertainment. Satellites facilitate the transmission of television and radio signals across large geographical areas, enabling broadcasting companies to reach a wide audience. Direct-to-home, DTH, television services and satellite radio are examples of satellite-based entertainment services. Internet connectivity. Satellite-based internet services are used in areas where traditional terrestrial infrastructure is limited or unavailable. These services can provide internet connectivity to remote regions, ships, aircraft, and disaster-stricken areas.